Everything that you should know about Kubota X-Tractor. The future of farming will never be the same again, as it will now be filled with autonomous electric tractors silently plowing in fields, according to Kubota, a Japanese tractor maker. Half a century after exhibiting its first ever concept tractor at the Japan World Exposition held in Osaka in 1970, Kubota unveiled a new concept tractor, an amazing future filled with autonomous tractors equipped with electric powertrain to commemorate the 130th anniversary of its founding, which is slyly and perfectly monikered as the X-Tractor. The Kubota X-Tractor made its debut in Kyoto City during an exhibition in Japan, and it has since given us a glimpse of what the future of farming will look like. Equipped with artificial intelligence and electrification technology, this futuristic tractor is a completely autonomous tractor that represents the future of smart farming drawn by Kubota. Let's look into everything you need to know about the Kubota X-Tractor. Most of the interesting facts about the Kubota X-Tractor are kept at the end of the video, so try not to miss them. The future is fast beckoning to us with advanced technologies, and it promises to be quite exciting. And just like other sectors, the agricultural sector will also witness some of the most creative technological innovations, especially in the field of self-driving farm machines. The agricultural sector has been one of the economic sectors most quickly modernized by advanced machinery. But now is the era of self-driving machineries where farmers leave more of the driving to the robots and wait patiently till the work is done. And this shows that what constitutes a tractor is radically changing with a newly launched Kubota X-Tractor concept. The company Kubota, established in 1890, is among the pioneers that started the integration of smart and advanced technologies into the agricultural sector. The company has the aim of tackling new age issues confronting farmers such as low operating efficiency and labor shortage, so it introduced the X-Tractor. Farming is about to get very easy with this electric and autonomous Kubota X-Tractor. With the ability to quietly work in fields and plow on its own, the company, giving us the first glimpses of the tractor, showed us that it won't require a human rider to operate, delivering hope to farmers everywhere that yet another part of their jobs will become much less time-consuming to complete. We can say Kubota indeed celebrated its 130th anniversary in an unexpected grand style with this new Smart X concept. According to Kubota, the X-Tractor is designed to tackle a problem with farming in Japan. With farmers retiring due to aging and far fewer in the next generation replacing, there's a labor shortage and low operating efficiency. And also, the average scale of farming continues to grow as a result of the contradicting out-of-farm operations and the accumulation of farmland for efficient management, so the need to introduce smart farming using the X-Tractor. Kubota unveils their concept smart tractor with numerous advanced technologies such as electrification and artificial intelligence in anticipation that it will help tackle up the slack in Japanese agriculture, which has been continuously expected by farmers. Farmers in recent years have increasingly been using advanced technologies to plant, spray, cultivate, and harvest more efficiently. But the newly introduced X-Tractor promises more than just planting, spraying, cultivating, and harvesting. Kubota has been on a mission to create more agricultural assisting vehicles for quite some time now. There's a direction Kubota has headed since it established its Agro-Robo tractors in 2017. And then expanded its autonomous agricultural machinery to Agro-Robo series. Agro-Robo machines still look like modern-day tractors and can be operated by a farmer on board, but they can also be controlled by remote or to accomplish tasks on its own. The X-Tractor takes a step further from the regular Agro-Robo series. It's different in the fact that it has nowhere for a farmer to ride, or even if he wanted to. It's completely autonomous. You just have to wait for the machine to do its work just as you want it. Now, let's look into the interesting and amazing features and characteristics of the X-Tractor. Any conversation about the features of this concept and the futuristic tractor prototype has to start with its design. The design of this tractor is so fascinating that you will probably think that it was dropped by an alien race. Its structure looks like a concept that escaped from James Cameron's sci-fi movie collections. The hulking metallic orange and black vehicle is completely electrically powered via a combination of lithium-ion battery packs and solar panels. And full electrification continues to zero emissions and reducing environmental loads. The X-Tractor concept as envisioned will use artificial intelligence to do some of the actual science of farming. It's claimed that the tractor's abilities extend beyond harvesting and tilling, as it will also autonomously monitor metrics like crop growth rates, the weather, and when the best time to put down seeds might be. According to Kubota, the Concept Tractor's AI system allows the tractor to monitor factors such as weather and growth rate of crops, so it can decide when to head out to perform tasks such as tilling and harvesting. By monitoring the weather, it will take into account factors like time, session of the year, and weather conditions such as wind and rainfall to be able to know when to assess tasks in order to complete them more efficiently. Just imagine waking up in the morning and looking out the window to discover that your tractor is rushed off to finish planting because it decided there's rain on the way. And that's part of what X-Tractor can do. The smart tractor will also be able to interface with other equipment on the farm, such as the AgriRobo, to further increase efficiency and effectiveness. The environmental data obtained by the X-Tractor in operation can be automatically shared with other machines at the site to realize centrally managed efficiency operation. With all this function, Kubota X-Tractor needs its own movie or starring role in some kind of sci-fi epic. Instead of wheels, the X-Tractor has 4 Matrax-like crawlers that allow for optimum traction on any soil type and variety of terrains, including uneven terrain. The X-Tractor utilizes a combination of GPS, onboard sensors such as cameras, and an artificial intelligence-based guidance system, so it's able to autonomously make its way around both regular fields and wet rice paddies with its 4 crawlers. The speed of the 4 crawlers can be changed respectively by the electric powertrain's in-wheel motors, so because each of those crawlers has its own integrated motor, they can independently rotate their treads at different speeds, allowing for a very tight and ultra-sharp turning radius of the self-driving tractor. And by doing so, maneuvering on different land types and in tight spaces becomes easier. The Japanese manufacturer also claimed that this Kubota X-Tractor can also adjust or change its height depending on the situation. In case of any need for extra traction, the smart machine can make itself more secure by adjusting its center of gravity and lowering itself. It can also be dropped when extra stability is needed. When it's operating above the crops or when traveling over rows of taller plants, it also has the capacity to increase its height and create more ground to undercarriage clearance. Its 4 crawlers also help it easily adjust its height to tackle varying terrain. Knowing what Kubota is capable of delivering, we're eagerly awaiting more details about this intelligent tractor. There's currently no word from Kubota on when or if the X-Tractor may reach production. If it does, however, Kubota isn't alone in creating advanced autonomous farm gear, so it may face some competition from autonomous tractors being developed by companies such as Yanmar and CNH Industrial. We need to note that the course of the future is shaping itself towards self-driving technologies, which will also affect the agricultural sector in a great way by making farming very easy and ensuring greater output. And that's it, guys. What did you think about the Kubota X-Tractor? What did you think about the future of electric vehicles in the years to come? Let's hear your views or opinions via the comment section. We'd be glad to hear from you. And please, don't subscribe unless you're into electric vehicles, because that's what this channel is all about. Now, let's watch another fantastic video from our channel, and I'll meet you there.